Hi, are you a business owner who would rather do anything than look at the numbers that your accountant gave you? If that sounds like you, I understand why. And I also want to share today one thing you need to understand so you can begin to change that and actually embrace your numbers and make them work harder for you. Hi, my name is Lynn Carozzi. I'm a fractional CFO. And what a lot of business owners don't understand is that there is a huge difference between the world of accounting and the world of finance. Now, you might think those numbers are interchangeable, but in just a second, I'm going to explain to you how they're not and why that matters to you. So let's just go back to the very, very beginning here. Accounting begins with the letter A, right? It's an actual, it's a go. There's not a darn thing you can do about it. That's where your accountant, your bookkeeper, and your tax preparer live. Finance, on the other hand, begins with the letter F. It's about your future. It's a forecast. It's your potential fortune. It's your potential failure. And when you wake up at 2 a.m. worrying about what's going on in your business, that's where your fears are. Now, that's kind of makes sense to an awful lot of people, but let's stop and think about why those two things are so different. The past of the world of accounting and the bookkeeper is in charge of making sure that everything that happened was recorded correctly. And it's very important. That's what you have to pay taxes for. Those are the things that your banker is going to want to look at when you need a loan. You need to understand your own personal finances. But when it comes to managing your business and growing it, it's really going to be the finance perspective because this is looking at and says, okay, what about all the information that the accountant gave you? What's important? What do you really need to understand in there? And most importantly, how do you make future focused decisions about that? And here's what's going to happen. I predict, I'm not a betting person, but this time I'm almost willing to take this bet, that a few months from now, taxes are going to be due and a couple conversations are going to happen. Your accountant is going to tell you, you made $100,000. And you're going to think, wow, it's not in my bank account. So where did it go? And then your tax preparer is going to tell you, you owe $15,000. And you're going to go, what? Why didn't I know this sooner? If this sounds like something that may happen to you or you're afraid could happen to you, let's have a chat. My number's down below. My contact information is down below. Let's get you started on the road to financial confidence.